Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the WOMELF Multifunctional 88-key Foldable Electric Piano. This is a keyboard that's designed with portability and beginners firmly in mind, and it packs quite a few features into its unique design. Right off the bat, the most striking thing about this piano is that it folds. Yes, it's an 88-key piano that you can actually fold up, making it incredibly easy to store or carry around. The product description mentions it's made from quality, environmentally friendly materials, which is always a plus, and its lightweight nature, coming in at just 2,500 grams or 2.5 kilograms, really emphasizes that portability aspect. You could genuinely take this with you to a lesson, a friend's house, or even just move it easily around your own home. Despite its foldable nature, it features 88 standard keys, including the black keys, giving you the full range you'd expect from a piano. This is crucial for beginners who are learning proper fingering and getting used to the layout of a full keyboard. It doesn't skimp on sounds either, offering 128 different tones and 128 rhythms to experiment with. Plus, there are 20 demonstration songs built in, which can be great for listening or even playing along with. Beyond just sounds, this keyboard includes a range of functions that are particularly helpful for students. There's a rhythm function to practice timing, a demo song function is mentioned, and a metronome function, which is essential for developing a steady tempo. It uses knob buttons for control, has a sleep mode selection function to save power, and includes a chord function to help with learning harmony. The dual keyboard function allows two people to play side by side, or for a teacher to play along with a student. There's also a velocity converter function, meaning the keys are touch sensitive, responding to how hard you press them, which is a vital feature for developing expressive playing. All the information you need is displayed on an LCD screen, and it comes with a sustain pedal function, allowing notes to ring out just like on an acoustic piano. The description highlights that using this electronic piano can make the process of learning simpler and more interesting. With all these features packed into a portable, full-sized, yet foldable instrument, it certainly seems well-equipped to do just that. It's positioned as a perfect instrument for piano beginners and a great choice for anyone starting out or pursuing their interest in playing. The dual speakers mean you don't necessarily need external amplification right away, adding to its convenience. For an adult beginner or student looking for a full 88-key experience that doesn't take up permanent space and can be easily transported, this WOMELF foldable piano looks like a very compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.